Hi, my name is Hunter Lindley, and I'm a solutions engineer at Checkmarx. Today, I'm here to talk to you about the Jira integration, specifically within the IDE. So today, since we're talking about the Jira plugin within the IDE, I just want a baseline that we do have to create a feedback profile into Jira before we can get our vulnerabilities sent over to a Jira board. So in this example, there's this Vuln micro profile that's tied to this admin service project, and it's feeding into Jira all the vulnerabilities we find. So just a quick look, this is what your Jira board would look like from this specific app. We can see a lot of information about the findings. Where this really shines is looking at this flow from the IDE perspective, right? Because we want to be as close as the developer as we can as they're writing their code and not make them even have to go log into Jira if possible. So through the utilizing a combination of our plugin with Jira within the IDE, then we can create a seamless flow for your developers. So as we look at this, I have the Checkmarx One plugin configured. Here's a scan. We found a stored cross-site scripting. We can see a lot of data about that. Well, again, your developers may want to actually see a ticket around this so they know what they can go solve. And typically there's a lot of KPIs around those tickets. So through looking at the Jira plugin, we can actually see this specific vulnerability that was found with Checkmarx fed directly into Jira. So through this, our developers could go and look at it from a Jira perspective and see what labels Checkmarx has applied. So we can see this was a SAST finding. We can understand what branch this was scanned, or which branch was scanned. We can find out who the owner was, right? So we're going to label your Jira ticket with all this useful information for your developers to go track this down. We're also going to give them the capability to link directly into the project via URL so they can get in the platform quickly. We're going to link to the repository that this was found in, and then we're going to actually even link to that specific scan that found this. So again, you can find a lot of information within your Jira tickets and developers are typically more used to being in that environment. And again, we tag it with information about the attack vectors, what's going on. So a lot of great information for your developers. Another aspect is that we can actually configure our Jira within the IDE based upon those labels. So for example, I have a label here and I only want to look at this specific admin service project. I can use a Checkmarx label to find that specific repository finding and only look at those from within the IDE. And that's how the Jira integration works within the Checkmarx One platform. If you like this, we have a lot more videos on how to work with Checkmarx on our YouTube channel. Check out the link in the description for more.